code. In today's video, I'm showing you some of the shortcut code for Python, which is always required. I'm sorry for like I was lost for a couple of months, so this is my video after I think 2 months. Let's just find some shortcut code like which help you to develop the Python code. So what I'm writing is how you can go through virtual environment and how you can start the project using Django. Like a lot of those stuff I'm typing. You can see here, and I also give those thing in link down description below. Just hit that subscribe button. So let us start the video. So I consider this Python Python shortcut shortcut I don't know shortcut method. Let's do this method. I think if we do this, I think it will be easy. So first number, Python A and B name. You can write any name. So let's create the virtual environment. How you can activate the virtual environment? It's different Mac and Windows. So in Windows you can just write as you want the source name scripts and activate. And this is on Windows. I just write here Windows. Oh, sorry. Alright, Windows. This is on Windows. So for Linux, no, my bad. For Mac, we have different code. So in Mac, you have to write source name. Just put the bracket the name, and it's bean. Then activate, and it is on Mac. So I just write Mac. So fourth number, we move on to fourth number. In fourth number, how we can start the any kind of project in Django. So we just write Django or in small letter Django admin start project and my or name or side name or project name, anything I can say. Yeah. In fifth number, you can write Python. If it doesn't work, this always work. Django start app and name. This is how you can start app inside of Django. This always works. It's always helpful. So another thing now, how we can create the super user in Python. So in Mac or Django. In Python, just have to write Python manage.py create super user or manage.py create super user. In this way, you can create a super user so that you can access the database and do a lot of stuff that you want. So again, another one, you can use Python manage.py migrate to migrate the code. And in 8 number, I'll just keep the position for Python manage.py make migration to make the migration in a code. If you done any kind of changes on in model.py manage.py migrate make migrations. And in ninth number Python manage. This already done. So add other thing in when you are developing the Django project, you have to do some security kind of thing. So every time when you uh, when you create to create tablet in Django, you should use this thing. I don't know what this, but you have to use this kind of thing. This is TOKEN, not TOK. This is always required because they say this is an security region. So more there are more. So now you need to create so you also need to install pip env pip I mean pip env. So you also have to write the command pip install pip env pip env. This always works. So now let's go to the line number. So you need to run sub project. I mean you have to run server. So Python manager py run server. So run server. This is another code to run the server in Python. So table and pip env installed install Django. This is also one of the important things because you use this thing to install Django inside the ppnb. So this way you can just now another thing, how you can, after installing the ppnb, you have to activate the ppnb too. So to activate it, pip env shell, pip env shell. In this way you can do you can activate the Python or pip env. So Python, another we can start. And one other thing, ppnb, you have to write ppnb install doge. I said doge, and you can call it any name you want. So in pp number, I write ppnb env installed Django REST framework FARM framework simple JWT this sorry my bad, this thing equals to 5.2.1. This is how you can use the Django Django framework. So I think you need to download post map man and insomnia for APIs. API. I want to say thank you. Thank you. I want to say thank you. You can find this everything in link given description below. So hit that subscribe button. Next time I also gonna make the cheat sheet for HTML. That could helpful, and a lot of videos coming on now. It's just a cheat sheet for Python. So a lot of videos coming on. We also make the Django website. A lot of stuff is coming in this channel. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Thank you.